there, everyone. We're doing some more Pokemon tonight, playing some Meganium this time. And I've been practicing Meganium a little bit more. I would still say it's not my personal favorite sport, but I think I'm still getting better, you know? So, it's not feeling too bad right now. Yes, let's get that secure, get some nice healing. We can pressure the Rowlet just a little bit more too. For a little Magical Leaf. I mean, it's an auto-aim move, big range, you know, why not? Get an extra little hit on him. You know, keeps him weaker for later. I don't think that's a bad idea, keeping a nice weak Rowlet on the enemy team. As long as possible. Ooh, okay. Latias came over. I was not expecting that one. Yeah, he went... Where did he come from? Did he come from topside? That's weird. Okay. I haven't seen their other lane or two. Is it 4-person topside, I guess? And just Rowlet here? It's like what it looks like. I don't know. Very weird start to the game. I don't even see the Rowlet anymore. Okay, Rowlet did go topside. Yeah, I'm just really confused. This is... I mean, hey, I'll take a free lane bottom side, I guess. See, I see Lapras topside. I'm just trying to figure out, like, okay, goodbye. Yeah. Dartrix. Yeah, they're all playing. You know, there's no lever, it looks like. So yeah, I guess it's just casual 5-person topside here? I don't know, that's weird. Okay. Sure, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm surprised we don't want to do this. It's a free objective. They clearly don't seem to be coming here, but I'm going to help the team out. Just because it'll bounce back up topside. So, it won't hurt. Full power guy. Oh, they did do it. You see, they punished us since they stopped doing it. Good heal up our guy there. Yeah, I mean, I feel like we could have just done the objective. Like, we sort of are playing into them a little bit here. Do you want to hit this? Just get my evolution. Oh, that doesn't actually get me my evolution just yet. Okay, well, I'm going to head down here with Kalava. Okay, nice. Got my evolution. Pop it. Force him out. Take damage. Yeah. Able to do what I can there. Got the instant level 6 special. Or not level 6, level 7 special. Which is still insane. First character with a level 7 special. I don't think it needed its special at level 7. I mean, hey, I'll take it. You know, that's how it is right now. Heals. Quick score. A little extra special charge. Not that I exactly need it. I'll be back up soon anyway. But, you know. Doesn't hurt. Could be another fight. See, that's why that's one thing I really do like is like your special's always up for any fight. You know. Because I haven't really played many characters with the very short special charge, you know, so this feels good. Ah, no, I missed barely. And he's able to take it. That on me. Get a little hit there. Took him just a tiny bit. Our guys are going in. I'll lock them down. There you go. Health on our team. We're going to look topside maybe for a little score here. We do have a few points. It's not a ton, but might as well get what we can. You know. Okay. He's going on me. I have my potion. Get my damage. Okay, another special. Lock him down. Yep, there you go. Gengar, get the finish. Ah, no Gengar finish. Okay. Because I think he hit his Dream Eater, but the Garchomp was just a little too far away, I guess, to actually activate it. Ah, close though. That would have been a cool turn. We should look topside. Objectives coming up there. And yeah, I think it would be a pretty good idea to get that. Do I pop special on the Lapras? I don't think I need to. It's just a Lapras here. Just want to make sure my guys are all healed up. They are bottom side slightly with the Tyranitar. I'm actually going to just start heading bottom side right now. Yeah, because we just instantly get that. 4 damage dealers on the thing. Should get that pretty fast. I don't know if I'll make it down here in time. Is there a berry? No, no berry there. No berry on the other side. I'll try and steal it. Oh, they're actually on it. Oh, I guess they went top side. Wow. I am surprised. I would have thought they would go bottom side. Try and do the objective. It's a good objective timer. See how I want to do it. Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, they punish our team topside, you know, so they do get that. So, it's still a good play by the enemies. Yeah, I thought, you know, the better play would just be instead of push Regieleki at the top, let's just try and get the objective and just keep running the objectives here. Full control, more power for us, you know. I don't think it's a bad idea. Okay, that's it. It doesn't have many stacks, though. I'm not too scared. Nice, good special. Big special, actually. Go pop the grass knot lockdown. Push myself up. Nice. Good stuff, guys. Heals. I could take a base. It is a little risky to stay this far up with a base, but I can heal up my guy too. Okay, if he doesn't run away from me. Yeah, he doesn't seem to want my health. I mean, he can heal himself up too as Dream Eater. I'm gonna get to the Latios. I was going to say Latias, and then I'm like, oh wait, no, we have Latios. Because I saw the Latias on the map running down. Get them healed up. Okay, I can potion. I'm gonna pop special. Just keep him trapped. Might be able to get the pick here. No, the Draco Meteor wasn't on them. And we could still force this. I don't mind fighting. Big Draco Meteor? Yeah. Nice. Ah, more poke. This is some poke wars. I can go take base. Get myself up just because I don't know if I can heal myself up that fast with just Petal Blizzard healing. Okay. We did get topside objectives, so that's nice. Okay. Go pop special. Pass on this guy. The heals. Nice Dream Eater. I'm gonna go back off just because I think the Gengar should be able to get him. Nice. I'm getting an assist on that Sally. Probably because they backed off. Nice. Get the objective. Good job, team. I'll potion up in just a moment so that I can heal myself up. 2,000 health. Definitely gonna feel pretty nice. Oh, pop special. Yeah, why not? Could give our team a little speed boost here. I don't think I should be able to score this with the little Tyranitar Sand Tomb up, but there we go. We do get our scores now. And we can heal up our team. There we go. Pretty solid match. Should just be the win. But it looks like we'll keep fighting anyway here. Keep healing up my guys. There shouldn't be anything they can do, really. We're all just going to stand here. Okay. He's going in. Nice. Ooh, they do actually get the defeat on the Gengar. Go push myself again. Go for another score, because why not? Lapras got 100 points somewhere. Good for them. Yeah, I mean, that's just a win. You know, the end of the game is just sort of like, wait, you know. I could return back to base and defend, but it's just like, you know, it's more fun just to stand at the enemy base, keep fighting, keep practicing combos and stuff like that. Definitely gets a lot more value, I would say, by doing that. But yeah, I mean, we just sort of won the game, you know? It was a pretty good one. Did a good amount of healing, took a good amount of damage. I think I played decently well that game. Obviously could improve, just because, you know, it's a new character, and, you know, I haven't played it too much. Yeah, no, the lane was very weird, too, just because we just sort of got a free lane with no one early game, so, yeah. I don't know, strange match, but... So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Alright, see you guys next time. Thank you, and goodbye.